How to make spicy fried lady fingers. Ingredients: lady fingers, 1 to 2 tomatoes, 1 large onion, ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, red pepper to taste, tomato ketchup, red chili powder, 1 lemon. How to make it. 1. Buy some fresh lady fingers. 2. Wash them and pat them dry using a paper towel. 3. Cut the top and bottom section of the lady fingers. 4. Cut a vertical slit in the middle of the lady fingers. 5. Set them aside. 6. Dice tomatoes, chop onions and coriander, and cut green chilies. 7. Put a frying pan on the stove and add 3-4 tablespoons, 44.459.1 milliliters, of oil in the pan. 8. Add the lady fingers and fry them until the stickiness is gone. 9. Remove the lady fingers from pan and set aside. 10. In a different pan, add 2-3 tablespoons, 29.644.4 milliliters, of oil, then add ginger garlic paste and lightly fry it. 11. Add chopped onions and fry until golden brown. 12. Add tomatoes and cook them until soft. 13. Add salt, chili powder, and ketchup and mix well. Then add the green chilies and mix again. 14. Add the lady fingers and mix it together. 15. Transfer to a serving dish. 16. Squeeze some drops of lemon on the lady fingers. 17. Serve with fresh bread, naan, or rice. 18. Enjoy.